let us discuss about Thevenin's theorem. Come, let's go with look at this problem example 1. In this network having one voltage source, one 30 volt voltage sources, four independent resistors. Okay, in this network contains one voltage source, four independent resistor like 12 ohm, 6 ohm, 4 ohm, 12 ohm. The problem said find Vx by first finding Vth and Rth to the left half of A to B. Okay, the problem mentioned left half of A to B. That means you just put A dot B dot across 2 ohm resistor. Okay, instead of 2 ohm resistor, you would be replace the letter Vx. First step is we may rearrange this network problem. You just left or ignore this Vx or 12 ohm resistance after the node indication of AB. Here we got Thevenin's theorem network. In this network, we just find out Vth from this given 12 ohm, 4 ohm, 6 ohm, 30 volt according their connection. Okay, here 4 ohm resistance doesn't have any current. It contains only voltage. In the cases 6 ohm resistor parallelly connected across AB. So the 6 ohm resistor mainly consider nearby of 30 volt resistor. Sorry, 30 volts voltage sources. So VAB equal to, we may calculate 30 volt multiplied 6 ohm by total resistance could be series. So 12 ohm plus 6 ohm equal to, we will get 10 volt from that calculation. Now we got VAB or VTH, Thevenin's voltage or VAB node voltage. This is first step. This Thevenin's theorem advantages are we will achieve the proper output, network output from short out the three simple steps. Among three steps, we done one step for getting VTH voltage. Okay, next let us going with second step. Here we may find out RTH value. If we need to short out RTH value, we must ignore the source from the given network. The 30 voltage sources given here, we ignore that 30 voltage source. Replacement of that 30 voltage, we just put short line across 12 ohm resistor into ground of 6 ohm resistance. This is RTH network for helping to find out the Thevenin resistance value. Here, three resistor values are there. 2 ohm resistor, 6 ohm resistor, 4 ohm resistor. Among these three resistance, two resistance are parallel. 12 ohm resistance and 6 ohm resistance are parallel. Okay, how these resistance will be parallel mean 12 ohm resistance can receive the input from other point, 6 ohm resistance can receive the input from other point. So both the inputs are varied by the connection accordingly. So 12 ohm and 6 ohm resistance are compulsory connected in parallel. Now we are shorting by the parallel rule of resistance. 12 ohm multiplied 6 ohm by 12 plus 6. Okay, we will get from that shorting of parallel combination, we get 4 ohm resistance. That 4 ohm resistance seriously connected with other 4 ohm resistance. So the resistance may connected in series. The formula is R1 plus R2. Here R1 is 4, another 4 is considered as R2. Now we will get R1 plus R2 equal to 4 plus 4 equal to 8 ohm. RTH is 8. We done two steps of Thevenin's theorem. Here one more steps are waiting to receive Vx value. So we may short out VTH, RTH from the network of given to that problem. So now we may replace VTH, RTH value instead of that network along with 2 ohm Vx resistance, because now let us derive 2 ohm resistance. 2 ohm resistance is important of this calculation. Now we may put in Vx equal to 10 voltage sources parallel of 2 ohm resistance. So 10 into 2 by total resistance is 2 plus 8. Simplify this Vx equation, we will get into 2 ohm resistance. Okay, the given problem may find out with the help of Thevenin theorem rules.